I'm Ema Kumar. I'm working as an open source developer in ChipKits for past 5 months. I'm going to talk about states and transition, its definition, where this is very much useful in almost all applications. This class always defines all the actions and it will change from the base state, always adding or removing components from the base view state and setting properties, setting styles or setting event handlers, and it has the another tool as transitions, and it can put really some nice eye candy on your application, and it will show some cool effects as well. And this is one or more visual effects that play sequentially or simultaneously what a change in view state occurs. For this is you want to resize a component to make room for a new component when the application changes from one state to another, and it always defines a transition that gradually minimizes the first component while a new component slowly appears to the screen. Based on this concept, I am using one small program where I am giving the states. I am giving the name as one state as image1 and another state as form1. Within that image1 state, I am giving the remove child target as panel2, which is the form contains, and for the set property I am giving the name as x and target for panel1, and vice versa I am giving the for form1 I am giving the remove child target panel1 which is contains image, and I am giving the set property name as x and target panel2, and I am giving some transitions where I am giving from state to image1 state, and for that I am giving the move id for move1 for to target panel1, and for the vice versa another transition I am giving for the state form1 and giving another move id for move2 and it targets panel2, and giving some application control bar where that buttons image form home. This button will have this functions, and here where that function within the current state only image will function, and for the form state it will form only appear, and for the home both will become static, and like that I am using. And within that form id I am using form item text input as well and some headings. Now we can go for the output where it will be like this, where one panel as image, another panel as form, and as the application control bar once I click the image it will move left to right direction, whereas from if I click the form it will move right from the right to the left direction, and once I click the home and it will become the static. Using this concept we can do many rich look applications, and thank you for this opportunity. Thank you for the checking.